Listen to this guide and you'll wake up as a different person in 2026. In this video, you'll get a clear, step-by-step plan without fluff or motivational hype. Just concrete steps that actually work. I've walked this path myself and completely transformed my life. Now it's your turn. First and most important, sleep schedule. Going to bed at 2 a.m., waking up at noon, feeling like a zombie? It's not laziness. Your brain just doesn't value delayed rewards. But quick dopamine hits, those are right here, right now. If you want to break this cycle, listen carefully. Advice like wake up at 8:30 every day without fail doesn't work. You'll eventually break down. Here's how I fix my sleep routine, and you can too. The secret isn't waking up early. The secret is what you do before sleep. When you're about to scroll mindlessly through social media, catch yourself thinking, stop, I wanted to become better. If I continue now, will I become this person? Accept the fact that you don't want to put down your phone. That's normal. But understand two things. First, reels, algorithms, all this is designed just to consume your time. Second, if you wake up at 8:30 tomorrow, you'll have much more time to watch the same stuff, but without feeling guilty. Though, if you've listened up to this point, I think you already understand whether you need to watch them at all. The second is self-confidence. I'll only give you advice that actually worked for me. Feeling insecure? Start walking mindfully and projecting confidence. Straighten your back, lift your chin. A slight smile, even if you don't feel like it. After 15 to 30 minutes, autopilot kicks in and you're no longer playing confident, you are confident. Confidence comes after taking action through small risks. Do something ordinary people find strange and afterward you stop caring. It's scary. Did it, stop caring. Then it flows naturally, that's the key. And here's what's most important. You can do anything. At any moment, you can approach, speak, act, or change. It's not some special gift, it's simply a choice. You're the one limiting yourself. What holds you back are thoughts like, what if I fail? Or what if I'm judged? Now listen carefully. I'll give you a complete action plan. All that's left for you is to just do it. And dude, before I forget, check out Pinterest for luxury lifestyle, Dubai supercars. It works as powerful motivation. You'll be ready to crush anything to get there. So, first month. Foundation. Start with inner order. Go to bed earlier than yesterday, no phone. First 30 minutes, movement, water, breathing. Each night when you reach for your feed, remember, I wanted to improve. No need to be perfect, just be consistent. Second month. Acceleration. Build confidence in action, change your look, shift your energy. Approach people, speak up, joke, take risks. Small daily risks are how you level up. Third month. Consolidation. Your confidence will dip. That's normal. I'm telling you as someone who's been through this. It fades away, even if you try hard. The key is bringing yourself back. Keep doing this until confidence becomes your natural state. That's life. There's no magic pill. If you persist, by January 1st, you'll wake up a different person. Bottom line, in 90 days, you're not just changing habits, you're rewiring your identity. Don't try to improve overnight. You're already different. 90 days isn't forever. But if you truly follow this plan, on January 1st, you'll look in the mirror and not recognize yourself. You'll wake up a different person with a clear mind, confidence, and inner peace. Not because you've become perfect, but because you've finally become yourself. The music from this video is in my Telegram channel.